with the police so they have better training. They have better psychological evals. They have more resources so they can take care of these communities. There are a lot of different ways to take care of crime in a long-term sustainable way. None of those ways include the National Guard and like random masked men pulling people over. You guys remember this video that just dropped?